My name is Luciana, and today we have a big video with all my pets and one baby. And we have a message from the vet, a boy elephant.
And where are we right now?
That's you.
Where
This
are?
is you.
Okay, where are we right now?
And we are in a cave.
We are inside of a fort that Papi made.
And this is really cool because it
And we even have a soft rug, right?
Yeah. And today we're gonna have a great day.
Okay.
Right? Yes. Yes. Are you ready, Moby? You Moby?
Yes, I'm ready.
Are you ready, Kaki? Yes, I'm ready.
Oh,
Are you ready, Elephant?
I sure am.
Are you ready, little one? Now let's go. It looks like we have mail here.
We have mail.
I hear the mailbox. Maybe it has mail. Ooh! Invited to a birthday. A birthday message.
A birthday message.
Yes.
Nice.
To Nicholas.
Nicholas.
He's pretending it's his friend Elephant.
Okay.
Is invited to the friend Elephant. She's coming.
Well, let's see it.
Let's see over the lion guard. Fishing. What's up? I'm right. It's a lion guard birthday.
A lion guard birthday.
Yes.
Nice.
We get a
And how old is Nicholas turning?
Nicholas. The elephant's name, not Nicholas.
Oh, the elephant. How old is the elephant turning?
It's turning 6.
That's not what it says there. What does it say there?
Oh, yeah. 5.
Okay, 5.
And the babies want to come. She was waiting for them. Let's put this back so it has to be safe.
Okay, say bye-bye.
It's not done.
Oh, okay.
Now he's coming in a little while. Put it in the birthday so we can send back.
Okay.
Now we could get up. Everybody's gonna get up.
Oh, it's time to wake up, everybody. You guys are such sleepy heads. It is almost 3 in the afternoon. Caballero, levántense.
Now here they are. Lay on the floor because it's so soft.
Yes, that's my favorite.
To lay on the floor.
If it's soft like this, yes.
Okay, so now they're all ready.
Okay, say bye-bye.
No, it's not
I
done.
have to turn it off. It's a long video.
It's not gonna be really long. It's not gonna be long. If he comes and celebrates his birthday, then it'll be done, okay?
Okay.
Now let's get him her address.
Okay, here you go. Elephant's birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Oh, wait. I don't sound like I'm 5 years old. Thank you. I appreciate you coming to my party. Hi, little cousin.
I'm a peel. I'm gonna jump.
Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye.